to another exciting episode of The Vaughn Show. Today, I'm going to do another Airbnb tour. Yep, that's right, another Airbnb tour. And today, I'm going to do a luxury Airbnb tour of a great place that I'm staying at currently right now in Victoria Island, Nigeria, Lagos. I am currently in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm here just on vacation, just to spend some fun, quality time, took a break from work. It is a 2-bedroom apartment home located in the heart of Victoria Island. It's over 1,400 square feet. It has 2 bathrooms, 1 full. It has 2 sitting areas, one on the lower floor, one on the higher floor, stairway, kitchen. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. So if you decide you want a safe place to stay in Nigeria, it is surrounded by security. It's in an estate area. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned. Alright guys, I want to show you guys outside currently where I'm staying at. Just a little B-roll, you know, it's a little exciting so you can see the view. This is the view of the area that I'm currently in right now. Absolutely amazing, guys. So I'm going to head on upstairs so you guys can see the upstairs area. Let's see upstairs. I'm currently going upstairs right now. All right, so we're going upstairs so you guys can see. Da-da-da. All right, so this is the first bedroom here. And it's also very comfortable, guys. The bed is very comfortable. I love a comfortable bed. Absolutely love a comfortable bed. All right, so let's keep on going. This is the sitting area here. That's the bathroom located there. This is my room. I've already junkied it up a little bit, you guys. Just a little since I've been here. But yeah, it's been fun. I got 2 beds in my own place. You know me, I like my own spot. So, this is a quick tour. Just want you guys to see. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my tour today of the luxury 2-bedroom apartment in Victoria Island. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. All the notes will be placed, all the information on the apartment will be placed in the notes. and also the link. So if you're ever in Nigeria, this is an amazing place to stay. The super host, she is absolutely amazing. And this is my second time staying in her place. She's very responsive, very supportive. So anything you need, she'll be definitely there to help you. So you guys have a great day. I'm gonna go out and enjoy this beautiful weather in Lagos currently right now. And maybe I'm gonna hit the beach up or something like that, or who knows? I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.